If you're looking for a way to clean up the back of your Explorer, then we've got a new product that's just for you. Our Steeda Wiper Delete kit. Now, we've already got our thermal exhaust, our Steeda Trailer Hitch insert, and our blackout panel. So the next logical step to clean up the back was a wiper delete kit. Now we make ours in-house out of 6061 billet aluminum. We've got two versions for you. We've got a plain version and we've got one that has the Steeda logo. Once we machine them, we send them off to get black anodized. After that, we bring them back in-house and we coat them with a ceramic coating with a UV protectant. We also give you a high quality 3M adhesive pad that allows it to seal to the inside of the rear window, making it completely waterproof. Now, for those of you wondering what it's going to take to install one of these, let's show you how easy it is. Here are the tools required to install the Steeda Wiper Delete. Start by popping the trunk. There are 6 clips holding the center section in place. Use a plastic trim removal tool so you don't damage this piece. Then carefully pull it away from the trunk to remove it. The rest of the plastic trim is held in place with plastic clips. Just work your way from the front to the back, pulling it away from the trunk. There is an electrical connector for the trunk buttons that needs to be disconnected. Then set the trim aside. Back on the outside, pop this piece up to expose the nut. A 13mm socket can be used to remove the nut. The wiper is pressed into place on a taper stud. Some penetrating oil might help. Pull straight up and away from the glass and turn the wiper back and forth to remove it. We found that rotating it counterclockwise a few turns allowed it to pop off. Back on the interior, disconnect the wiper motor plug. Then use a zip tie to secure it so it doesn't rattle. Go ahead and cut off the excess from the zip tie. There are 3 10mm bolts holding the motor to the trunk that need to be removed. Hold on to it as you remove the last bolt, but it should still be held in place with the rubber grommet. Now you can remove that rubber grommet. Your vehicle might have some excess window sealant that needs to be trimmed with a razor blade for clearance. Go ahead and prep the area around using some rubbing alcohol. Take the adhesive ring and remove the paper backing. Make sure it is centered and press it into place on the cap. Using a small pick, peel up the plastic backing on the other side. The cap will fit flush in the opening. There shouldn't be much wiggle room on either side. Then, go ahead and press it into place. Once installed, bring the trim up and reconnect the trunk button harness. Line the panel up with the trunk and you can tap the clips back into place. Work your way from the back towards the front. Lastly, the smaller center section can be reinstalled. After that, your installation is complete. So as you can see, that was very simple. The beauty of this is it's completely reversible, meaning if you want to sell your ST later on down the road, get a newer model, You can go ahead and put back on your wiper kit. No one would ever know the difference. In fact, this fits 2011 to current Ford Explorers and all trims. So pick one up, Steeda.com, less than 30 bucks. It's an absolute no-brainer. Remember, hit like, subscribe, follow us on all of our social channels, and remember, Steeda, where speed matters.